Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. You have to start by open the application and now scroll down. Firstly, we should check is you have the last software version. So click on it and it said that I have the last one. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, it can fix your problem. If it didn't fix, we should perform a hard reset. So remove it from the charging case and now the touch area is located right here. So put it to your ears and now press and hold both of touch areas for at least 5 seconds until you can hear a sound. Here we go, and the earbuds will automatically disconnect from your phone. So firstly we should put it to the charging case and remove it from the device list. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device and it enters to prank mode automatically, so now we can see it at the device list. Click on it and we did it. If the hard reset fix, maybe it check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, the last option what I can recommend it to you is to fully charge your earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.